Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Any doctor will tell you that the sooner you spot a health problem, the easier it is to deal with. We think the same way in the world of tech support. That's why we recommend a regular IT health check. We'll look at your whole system and pick up any small problems to stop them turning into big ones. If there are bigger jobs that aren't so urgent, we can help you to plan for them. And if you're all good to go, awesome! You can carry on with confidence. It's just one of the things our experts do every day to keep our clients working at peak performance. Get in touch today and we'll make sure you're in great shape. That's your tech update. More next week.